how to fix if you are unable to receive the Facebook verification code. So if you have forgotten your password and you want to reset it, but for that you need to get a verification code, and if you're unable to receive that, then that may be the first reason. So in order to fix that, watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section of Facebook from where you can enter your credentials and login. So the first reason for not being able to receive the verification code is maybe your do not disturb option is turned on. So for that, you just have to swipe down your notification panel and you have to check whether or not the do not disturb option over here is turned on. If it's turned on, then you won't be able to get the code. So make sure the do not disturb option over here is turned off. That's the thing. Now the another thing is, if you need any update or refreshment on Facebook, then also that problem may occur. So for that, you just can go back and you have to open up to apps, and here you have to press and hold over Facebook and tap over the I option at the right corner. Here you just have to go for the stories and you have to clear the cache at the button. By doing that, your Facebook will be refreshed and you'll be able to get the verification code easily. Now you can also go back and you can check over the permissions over here and make sure all of the permission over here are allowed. By doing that, also you'll be able to get the verification code, or it will be easy for you to get the verification code. That's the thing. Now you just have to go back, and since we are getting the verification code on the message, you have to refresh your message application also. For that, you have to press and hold over the message and tap over the I option at the right over corner. And here also you have to go for the storage option at the bottom, and you have to go for the clear cache at the right button. By doing that, also your message will be refreshed and you'll be able to get the verification code easily. That's the thing. Now if you're still unable to get the verification code, then the simplest thing is to restart your mobile device. It seems like a simple thing, but sometimes by restarting your mobile device, you'll be able to get the verification code. So for that, you have to press and hold over the power button, and here will be the option for restart. There may be also the option for reboot. That depends upon your device model. You can tap over there, and after replacing your mobile device, you can try. You'll be able to get the verification code easily. That's the thing. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.